Hello Sharon, my name is Philip Rulo with Rultract. As you know, I'm going to explain very quickly why I think we need to add the extender bar to your most recent request. If you're going to be using something similar to this hook, which in your case would be a 72, most likely the surgeon's going to do a subxiphoid incision or an incision at the manubrium where they're trying to retract the manubrium. Either way, they need to be center, midline to the patient, of course. And if you don't have an extender bar, what you're going to end up doing is retracting at an angle. And when you retract at an angle, you run the risk of the rake slipping out. So what I suggest doing, and you may have already thought of this, is adding the extender bar so then we can be right over the center of the patient's chest when we retract. So just let me know if you want me to add that to the Performa. Thanks again for the years of support and the interest. I'll talk to you soon.